everyone, this is Sivaranjani, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from KCS Nadar College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see what are all the cloud models. First, getting into the cloud models, there were three cloud models. The first one was IaaS and the second one was PaaS and the third one was SaaS. So that was infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. So these are also called as service models. So here we have how the service model was outlined here. Now moving on to the next thing, what is infrastructure as a service? Is a cloud service where companies rent IT resources like servers, storage, and networks instead of buying and managing them. It's like outsourcing your computer hardware. The cloud provider gives you the basic building blocks like virtual machines, storage, and internet access, and you can use them to run your apps and services. You pay based on how much you use by the hour, week, or month. The way you don't need to spend a lot of money on buying hardware. Example for this is Amazon Web Service, that is AWS. Moving on to the next thing was platform as a service. So what is platform as a service? Platform as a service provides the user the capability to develop and deploy application in the cloud using the development tools and APIs, libraries, and services provided by the cloud service provider. The user themselves develop, deploy, configure, and manage applications on the cloud infrastructure. For example, we can say Google App Engine. Moving on to the next thing as software as a service. What is software as a service? Software as a service provides the user the complete application or the interface. The cloud service provider manages the application and data. The user can access the application from anywhere. Application were also a platform independent and can also be accessed from various client interfaces. For example, we can say Netflix and WhatsApp. Thank you.